Hi guys, today I want to share with you vegan burrito recipe. What we need? We need some ingredients: tortillas, corn, beans in tomato sauce, mushrooms, pepper and onion. First of all, I chopped the paper. Then I put it in the pan. Next, I did the same with mushrooms. And then I added beans, corn, and finally chopped onions. You can use different beans, not only like that. I use it because I like beans in tomato sauce. It tastes delicious. In the end, I sprinkled the mixture with seasoning. That's it. Very tasty and easy vegan burrito recipe. I hope you like it and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel, leave comments in below, and see you in next video. Bye.